And I had moved 3 months ago to Texas.
How do you know who he is?
Because there's no other way.
All right, okay. And you understand he has to be served with it in order to appear.
Okay.
If he's deemed to be the father, then we'll just move forward and see about the child support part, okay?
Okay.
If there's nothing further, you are dismissed. Ms. Sultan,
Yes.
you brought this case before the court. What's going on?
So I had met my boyfriend online. We've been dating for a year, and I lived in Kansas at the time, and he lived in Texas, and he would fly to me, and we'd see each other often. I then got pregnant, and he had disappeared on me. So our daughter is now 5 months old, and I had moved 3 months ago to Texas so we could all be together.
So you moved to Texas from Kansas to be with him?
Yes.
Okay.
She met him online. A whirlwind romance turned into real love, or so she thought. He flew across states to see her, made promises of forever, and then she got pregnant. That's when everything changed. Now, she's standing in court, holding on to hope and a 5-month-old baby. But where is he, and why did he disappear when she needed him the most? Stay tuned. The truth is just beginning to unravel.
And I had moved 3 months ago to Texas so we could all be together.
So you moved to Texas from Kansas to be with him?
Yes.
Okay.
So our daughter could have both parents.
Okay.
And he had just disappeared on me. So now I would like child support.
Okay. Have you, I see you did request a DNA test.
Yes.
So he has not taken
He has
the DNA.
not.
Okay. Does he know he's the father? Does he believe he's not the father?
He believes he's not, but I know he is.
How do you know he is?
Because there's no other way.
All right. Okay.
She moved across the country to build a family, but instead found herself abandoned. He claims the baby isn't his, but she knows otherwise. Her voice shakes as she tells the judge there's no other possibility. Now, she's demanding answers and support. But can she prove paternity when he won't even show up? What happens next may change everything.
How do you know he is?
Because there's no other way.
All right. Okay. Well, I see he's not here today, and that is partially because you did not serve him to be here today. So what you filed with me, the child support request and the request for DNA testing, you didn't actually get him served with that to be here today.
Okay.
Okay. And you understand he has to be served with it in order to appear.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay. So
She came to court prepared to fight for her child's future, but missed one critical step. The judge points out a legal error that could delay everything. She never officially served him the documents. That means no DNA test, no court order, no support. Not yet. The tension is thick and time is slipping away. Will she fix it before it's too late?
and you understand he has to be served with it in order to appear.
Okay.
Okay.
Understood.
Okay, so what I'll do is I will order him to appear. He has to take DNA testing, well, get DNA testing done before he comes back to court. And I'll set you out, what do you need, like a month or so?
Yes, please.
Okay. All right, so he'll have to do DNA testing before then, so that way when we come back, if he's deemed to be the father, then we'll just move forward and see about the child support part, okay?
Okay.
Okay. If there's nothing further, you are dismissed.
The judge isn't letting this slide. He officially orders the father to appear and take a DNA test. No more running, no more hiding. This mother's fight is finally getting traction. If the test proves he's the father, the next hearing will decide support. For now, she walks out of court with hope, strength, and the law on her side. If you believe every child deserves the truth, like, comment, and subscribe. Justice is just getting started.